And there are no applications.
No, Your Honor.
All right, court is calling 2025 CR 007751 and 2025 CR 007752, State versus Jesse James Lewis. Could I have parties announced?
Megan Galloway for the state.
Glenn Payne for defense.
And are you Jesse James Lewis?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Lewis, did you review the true bill of indictments with your attorney? Did you understand them?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictments?
Wait.
State in cause number 2025 CR 007751, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor. And the cause number ending in 7752, we are waiving the enhancement.
All right, any objections to the waivers?
No objection, Your Honor.
In each cause number, Mr. Lewis, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
In the cause number ending in 51, you're charged with unauthorized use of a vehicle. That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. In the cause number ending in 52, you're charged with evading arrest detention with a vehicle with a previous conviction or SBI as a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have plea bargain agreements with the state, the court does not have to follow your pleas. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
In each cause number, you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state will call in the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering these pleas, you are giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
In each cause number, counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
We've discussed the cases and no defenses that we can present to the court.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
My opinion, yes.
Mr. Lewis, in each cause number, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
In each cause number, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. In each cause number, did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea bargain agreement and the cause number ended in 51, punishment is to be assessed under 1244 at 94 days in the Bexar County Jail. There's a $2,000 fine. Cases will run concurrently, and the state will take in consideration 2025 CR 007750. In the cause number ending in 52, punishment is to be assessed at 3 years in the prison. There's a $2,000 fine. Cases will run concurrently. The state will take in consideration 2025 CR 007750. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes.
State?
It is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then in cause number 2025 CR 007751, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
And cause number 2025 CR 007752, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
State any evidence.
State offer states 1 in attachments.
Your Honor, I review these with my client. We have no objection.
All right, state, you may be excused. Thank you. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses? The state would call in the right to remain silent.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same for sufficiency. All right, we can go off the record. Thank you.
Do I need the jury waiver to?
Let me see. All right, who's playing music? We just don't have the good music anymore.
Mhm.
You know, I was listening to Sly Family Stone this morning. Thank you. I love
Which
that song.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah,
I love the song If You Want Me to Stay by them.
yeah,
That's a good one.
thank you. All right, the court will review states exhibits 1 and attachments for sufficiency, and states you may be excused. Thank you. All right, in each cause number, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty in each cause number. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Gentleman, my client, spoke about this case, he just asked the court call for plea bargaining as written.
All right, in cause number 2025 CR 007751, the court is finding you guilty. The court will sentence you to 94 days in the Bear County Jail under 1244. Give you credit for any time served. There's a $2,000 fine. This will run concurrent with 2025 CR 007-752. Take in consideration 2025 CR 00750. And there's to be restitution, if any, to Sally Ann Ane Pryor. Is there anything with regards to sentencing under that cause number? Counsel?
No, Your Honor.
Cause number 2025 CR 007-752. Court is finding you guilty. Court will sentence you to 3 years in the prison. Credit for any time served. There's a $2,000 fine. This will run concurrent with 2025 CR 007-751. Take in consideration 2025 CR 007-750. And there's to be restitution, if any, to Sally Ann Pryor. Anything else with regards to sentencing and under that cost number?
No, Your Honor.
Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendants' Rights to Appeal in each of these cause numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because these are plea bargain agreements, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because these are felony convictions, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. How old are you?
22.
All right, so you're gonna have to make a decision. Do you want to live the rest of your life in somebody's prison? Because let me just tell you, no matter how much money the state says they do not have, how much money they run out of, there's one thing they always have enough money for. And you know what that is?
Prison?
Prisons and jails. So
Yeah,
you had better change your ways. Otherwise, you're gonna spend the rest of your life doing that.
I already know. I'm learning.
And here's the thing, I have no problem with tattoos. But if you do face tattoos, your employment opportunities are going to be limited because people see that. Some people don't like it. Some people are fine with it. Yeah, you're okay with it if you're planning on playing in a band or something, but otherwise people are going to say, nope. All right.
Yeah.
All right. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.